All right, we are week 7, day 1. What do we have? So it says, it says, when the children ran through the house, they was shout loudly. All right, so you think shouting? That that's the only thing you see? So what is our mantra really quick? What's our mantra? What do we do? Read, edit, and write. Okay. So I have Noah Case who says we need to add the suffix ing here. So when the children ran through the house, they was shouting loudly. Was should be a word. Thank you. They were when the children ran through the house, they were shouting loudly. I see a spelling error here. I see a spelling error. Kinsley, give it to me. Through. Yes. When the children ran through the house, they were shouting loudly. Is that it? I mean, I think that might be it. When the children ran through the house, they were shouting loudly. Yeah, that's all. That's all I see that needs to happen. So, for this one, we have 1, 2, 3. Hold them up real quick. I want to see how you're writing these. Neat handwriting on a Monday is what I need to see. Good. All right, 3 corrections for this one. How about this one? I do see an error here, Brody Nelson, right? We were talking about this morning. When the children's babysitter said, "Stop, you must slow down and play quiet." All right. What do I see wrong? How many groups of children are we talking about? One group. The way they have the apostrophe, though, Brody, doesn't that set it up to where there's multiple groups of children? So if there were multiple groups of children, it would be the children's babysitters, right? So we don't want that. We want it to be like this: one group of children. So it needs to be like this: CHILDREN apostrophe S, right? The children's babysitter said, "Stop! You must slow down and play quiet." Uh-oh. I see a mistake here. Listen to how that oh, Rocco, you got it? What does it need to be? You could say quieter, but I think we're going to say quietly. So now let's read it one more time. The children's babysitter said, "Stop. You must slow down and play quietly." Okay? You got something? No, it's the beginning of a sentence. It's all one. It's just when you do an exclamation point, that's it. That's all you need. It's the beginning and the end right there. Stop. Oh. Oh. Oh, I did not see that. I thought you were talking about. Oh, I see. Yeah, right there. You're absolutely right. That's an exclamation point right there. No, that's the tagline. That's the dependent clause. The children's babysitter said, right? It's part of it's all this is all one sentence, right? All right. So there we go. I didn't see that at the end that there was no period. So good job. All right. So how many corrections do we have on this one? We have 1, 2, 3 corrections for that one. Okay. Hey, right here for this, what do we use to separate the? Well, first of all, O'Brien, I want you to answer this. Where's the tagline in this? So you're saying the children's babysitter said is the tagline. That's the part of this speaking part that tells us who's saying what, right? Where's the speaking part, O'Brien? Quietly, right? Because we added that. All right. And how do we know that it's the speaking part? Because we have quotation marks, right? Now, this is the answer to your question, O'Brien. What separates the speaking part from, or the tagline from the speaking part? What separates? What is it? And there that is. So no period. The children's babysitter said, comma, stop. You must slow down and play quietly. We got it? All right, good. Write the missing word. The children that disobey me may not watch TV, she said. All right, really quick, O'Brien. Where's the tagline in that one? No, the tagline. All right, and what did we separate that with? Comma. All right. Where's the speaking part? The children, it's going to be this. Who disobey me may not watch TV, right? All right, there you have it. Complete the bold word with the prefix that means completely. The children were overjoyed when the babysitter said they could watch TV, or non-joyed. Have you ever heard the word non-joyed? Right? How about underjoyed? Anybody ever say to you, I'm underjoyed? No, they didn't, because that would be super weird, would it not? All right, so it's overjoyed, right? All right, there you have it. Week 7, day 1 in the books. Tadero.